Hi guys, Ayode Yusuf is still with you. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to set your thickness of wall, how to change your line weight, and all that in this tutorial. So, if you want to do that, let's assume this wall, maybe the thickness of this wall, you are not satisfied with it, you want to change it. And then, first thing you have to do is to make sure your line weight is on. Now, this is where it is. If I click like this, it is off, but if I click, you can see it is on. That's why there's a line width in this. This one is not the same, so that's why there's difference in this. So let's assume to change the thickness of this one. Maybe you are not too okay with this, you want it to be bold enough. So what you just have to do is that you press VV on your keyboard, which means visibility graphics. Can you see it here? So then you locate your wall. You go to wall, which is this. You click and width maybe 10, thickness blank. Click 10 black. Okay. You click OK. Then OK. Can you see? But this 10 is too much, so it make everything. So we are going to change it to maybe like wall. Okay, let's use 6. Yeah, 6. Let's use 6. That's okay. Okay. Can you see? So that's how to change the thickness of walls. So on your floor plan. So let's want to change it on your elevation also. So you have to press VV again. You locate wall. You change. Four. Back. So and then you make sure your line width is on also. But we didn't say anything. Maybe the thickness is not. There's something, but it's not showing that the thickness is not okay enough, so you can increase it. So you just have to increase it maybe to like 10. Okay. So can you see? But what I do is that I don't use this method because it make everything black in same line. Because your elevation, there should be a variation in line how far it is. So I don't use this kind of method. So what I do is that I'll off my wall. I'll give to no override. Click OK. So it's off it. So I use detail line, which is DL. So and then I'll come here, I'll click on wide line. Then the one that I know that is closer, it was maybe this one. So I'll just have to be giving it one by one. The ones that I know that are closer, maybe this one. So that's how you repeat it. You can draw it yourself. So if I know that maybe this one, I'll just change maybe it's in line. If I know maybe this one is far. So can you see there is difference? So I can change it to middle line here. Can you see? There's difference between and this. So that's how to change your line width in Revit. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.